Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I have a special gift for you. It's a Christmas present. It's a free printable download over on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. You can print this off for free and you can create these Christmas cards in the comfort of your own home. There are 4 different Christmas cards designs. There's the koala, there's a little possum, there's a wombat, and there's a cockatoo. These are Australian themed Christmas cards, so they have some Australian native flowers on them as well. I'm using 2 pieces of 12 by 12 cardstock in craft colour. You could use white if you preferred, or you could use red if you preferred, completely up to you. The first step for these Christmas cards is to cut them out. Now, there are 2 ways you can cut these Christmas cards out. You can use your paper trimmer, and you can carefully line up the edges of the cardstock with your paper trimmer and trim them out. This is the quickest and easiest way to cut out your cards, but you do need to just be a little bit careful that you're not going to cut off the edges of the card. If you need to, you can use your scissors to trim any little white edges that you might have missed on the paper trimmer. But the more you do this, the more accurate you will get and the easier it becomes. So if you're starting out, just be patient with yourself. The second way that you can cut these out is with a pair of scissors. This is actually my preferred way because I prefer to have a little bit more control over where I'm cutting. I find this quicker for me. It's just a personal preference as to how you prefer to cut out your cards. There are 3 pieces on each page that you need to cut out: the front of the card, the inside of the card, and the little pocket of the card. We're going to cut these rectangles to 6 by 8.5 inches, and this will be the perfect size for our printables. So you need to create 4 6 by 8.5 inch rectangles from your 2 12 by 12 pages. So if you cut the first cut at 6 inches and then the second cut at 8.5 inches, and then fold those rectangles in half and smooth down the fold with a bone folder. And this forms the base of our cards. So we're going to have all 4. Then I'm just using some liquid glue to glue that straight onto the front of our card. And we've got a nice little border around the edge in a natural colour. And you can see this is a very quick and easy process. Even the kids can do this and set them up and get them creating their own Christmas cards. Our next step is to glue the inside into the card, and this is just a nice place to write your Christmas message. Again, very simple and very easy. You could do many of these. The good thing with the printables is you can print as many as you like. So you could print 50 of these cards. The last step is an optional step. There is a little pocket. Don't put the glue all the way around. Only put the glue on the side, the bottom, and the side, not on the top. This allows you to have a little pocket where you can slide in some money or a gift card. And they are our 4 Australian Christmas cards. Simple, easy, quick to create, even the kids can do it. Hop on over to my website for your free printable. You can download the printable, print it home, and get crafting. I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great crafting ideas. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.